Y'all remember that? It got upgraded to level 3. And it's gonna go down. Dear God! Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, as you saw by the intro and the thumbnail, we're back with Car Mob. Well, still here with Car Mob, I should say.
What up, everybody?
But what I meant to say is we are back in the GTR. We are back in the infamous Mobzilla. And she's had a couple of things done to it, like bigger turbos, full titanium exhaust, including titanium downpipe, 4-inch everything. So yeah, she's making almost 900 wheel. We'll just call it 850, just for the haters. And that's on mode 2. There's 3 maps: soft, daily, and kill. We don't use kill because it could bend a rod, so we're not going to do that. We're going to run in the medium fast mode, which is fine because I don't think I'm ready. So Mob, did I cover everything that was done to it?
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna let her warm up a little bit and get to a section of road, and then we're gonna go to Canada. That's it.
5 minutes later.
I'm gonna do a quick facial reaction. Dear God! It's faster than it was. It is way faster than it was. Hey, we need to turn around. I left my heart back there. My gut is in the trunk, but my heart is all the way back there. Hey, call Killer Kurt. I need to have Kurt pick up my heart back there. Jesus, this thing is a lot faster than it was. Woo! Crikey. Hey, Model T. Hey, Model A.
We got the valves closed still.
That wasn't even loud exhaust mode?
No.
Wow.
That's quiet exhaust mode.
Okay. So, yeah. Bro. Okay. Now we need some corn.
Yeah. Need a little fuel.
Need a little ethanol.
Need a little fuel.
Then we're gonna head on down the road. All right, y'all. I'm gonna try to catch.
Wait, geez, we pull.
Okay, was trying to catch and see how many G's we pulled at acceleration. That is... go back. Whoops. I think it was a little over half a G. It was a little over half a G under acceleration, which is... wow. I mean, fully built drag cars that are running 3s in the 8th and 6s and 5s in the quarter pull like 2 or 3. But for a street car on not quite good tires...
Yeah, I need tires.
Yeah, wow. You just gotta experience this, okay? I said it last time. Find somebody with a GTR. Oh yeah, window was down. Find somebody with a GTR and do what you gotta do to get it right. It's unlike anything you've ever experienced automotive-wise in your life.
Oh yeah, it's a good time.
That's it. I mean, that's all there is to it. It's next level, man. I mean, I drove the GT500 yesterday. That car's impressive.
Right. Oh yeah, no doubt.
And this thing, I'm like, what is happening? It is nuts. But yeah.
Oh, pardon me.
Oh, good push.
That probably won't make the video.
Yeah, this thing is insane. Gotta hand it to you, brother. This thing is nuts.
No problem, brother.
Thank you for giving me a ride.
Not a problem. Let's see if we can friggin' allow some of these cars to go ahead of us, and we'll try to do a pull for you. Does that sound like a plan?
Yeah, we can do anti-lag.
Okay. I want to let them get some distance. We need some real estate.
So I'm gonna keep it on my face when you do that because my reactions are funny. I got a good grip on the phone this time.
Okay, so 48 miles an hour. Sound good?
Yep. People. I mean, you couldn't tell on the phone, but the whole car just went like this. Yeah.
At 50.
And wheelman over here, he's just like, nope, I am not lifting. Let's just keep this thing straight. Let me grab third.
Yep.
And then the boost hit is like, God, it just hit harder. It was even faster.
Yeah, third gear is pretty nasty.
Yeah, yeah.
Where most cars start to slow down, this one's like, yeah, let's go faster.
It's like more boost.
Yes.
So how many pounds of boost are you running in this thing?
I don't know, you tell me.
Okay. We will find out.
So, that's a big boost gauge right there, right? Yeah. Are we making 20 pounds? I don't know.
Let's see. Is 20 plus.
20 plus?
It was pegged.
Peg over 20 pounds of boost then.
The gauge was pegged. So it's over 20 pounds of boost.
Yeah.
The real number?
Nobody knows.
Nobody knows. And you don't need to know. Because this is super secret squirrel stuff. And if you try to smoke this car, you better have your Wheaties. Woo!
Hey.
When you're driving in a GTR and roll up on a McLaren, sup, bro? So, rolling along, we happen to encounter, that's a McLaren back there. He took the bait. He's gonna get his life ruined today. He's gonna sell it.
He's gonna sell it.
Couldn't keep up. Go ball. He couldn't keep up. Anti-lag.
That wasn't no anti-lag.
That wasn't anti-lag?
No.
Oh. It wasn't anti-lag. Drove out of his life. He's gonna sell it now.
Can't sell it now.
McLaren MP12C
Yep. Peace.
for sale.
For sale.
Cheap. Bring a trailer. Wanna go? Closed course in Canada. Do not try this at home.
Close course. Close course.
Closed course in Canada. Do not try this at home. You know it's not nice to beat up on slower cars, right? Just so you know, that's the car I was driving yesterday. As you already know. But, yeah. Yes, sir.
That one's a lot of fun. This one's a lot funner.
That one's a lot of fun. This one's a lot more. Woo! Doggy. She's spicy. And wiggly, too. You didn't have traction that entire time.
What happens on this big job?
Oh, there they go.
I'm like, that looks like my Chevy GT500. Then I saw the BCP license plate. I'm like,
Oh,
that is my
it
Chevy
is.
GT500.